Hey everyone, it's Michael with Stow-Kent Chiropractic, and I'm here with Brenda, and we're going to talk about her knee treatment. So, Brenda, what happened with your knees? How did they end up injured?
It really is just aging, and I had a job where I had to sit on the floor a lot with kids and was often sitting cross-legged, and my knees had gotten worse over the last year, and my friends were all starting to have knee replacements, and I didn't want to do that.
Right? So this was kind of like a maintenance program to prevent
Yes.
surgery?
When I talked to Dr. Schimmel about it, I said, you know, I may not even be a candidate, it might be too soon, and he said, no, that's when we like to get them, so.
Okay. You were a patient before the knee program, correct?
I was.
Okay, all right. What part of the body were you treating before?
My back.
Your back. Okay. So what did you do in the past to kind of help alleviate what was going on with your knees?
Well, I tried to do some stretching, and I tried to do a lot of movement, walking to keep limber.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, just some kind of stretching and stuff.
Yeah.
All right. So you've just finished up your treatment plan for your knees. How do you feel now that you're finished up with that?
I actually feel much better. If I sit too long in the same position, I still have some pain, but I recover so quickly now, which wasn't happening before.
Okay. All right. So it was taking a little bit longer for things to kind of resolve themselves?
Yes, yes. And the pain is not, is at a much lower level than it was, too.
All right.
So.
On a level when you first started, like a scale from 0 to 10, 0 being the least amount of pain, what do you think when you started with the knee program where you were at?
Probably a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty significant.
Yeah.
What would you say you're at now then?
I would say I'm closer to a 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's good progress.
All right, so you're finished up with this. Would you recommend this knee program to someone else?
I would.
Yeah?
I would. The one thing I would say though is I know when I first started it, and apparently waking up the nerves, initially it was a little more uncomfortable.
Right.
But then that went away pretty quickly, and I saw the positive results. So.
Yeah, and that's what we really try to emphasize with patients is we start to get pressure off the nerves and get them wakened up. You're going to feel a little worse in the beginning, but once that subsides, it goes pretty smooth.
Yes. Yes.
Good. All right. So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much for sharing this with us, and we hope to see you guys soon.
Okay.